Your path is dynamic, it evolves.
You can learn from many sources.
Integrating things your way. That's intelligence. Creativity. The best guidance comes not from the outside polish or popularity, but from listening to that quiet, truthful resonance inside.
Your inner being is the teacher.
Just take a moment. Visualize yourself standing calmly in the center of a beautiful, maybe sacred space. Around you, you see doorways, each one softly glowing with a different energy. Representing the teachers, the paths that have influenced you. Maybe you feel the gentle flow of Abraham's tree nearby. You sense the calm focus of Silva's alpha waves. There's the creative potential of Neville's imagination theater. You see the supportive reflection in Louise Hay's mirror. Maybe you hear faint YouTube affirmation.
Just acknowledge them all. Feel the energy from each door. Recognize the path they represented for a time.
And silently or softly, offer a heartfelt thank you to each one for the lessons, the comfort, the breakthroughs they offered when you needed them.
Gratitude.
Now take a deep breath. Let that energy settle peacefully around you. And then, listen.
Listen.
Above the sounds and energies from the doors, you begin to hear another sound. Quiet. Steady. Deeply familiar.
My own voice.
It's the sound of your own voice. Your own inner knowing. Gently, turn your focus inward now. Connect with that quiet, powerful knowing within you. This centered place, with all the external influences just supportive elements around you. Ask your inner self,
What do I want now?
what feels truly aligned, true for me, in this present moment?
Pause here. Just listen. Allow that inner guidance to answer. Not with rules or old doctrines, but with that subtle resonance, that feeling that's uniquely yours.
Breathe. and integrate that knowing.